I will, for full disclosure, I've never made a Madeleine before, so we're experiencing this together today. Then the fire alarm goes off. Hold on. Sorry. It likes to go off when I cook. So. Hello, this is Bethany with Masterclass Maven, and today we are feeling a little French today, hence the black dress, and we are making a French pastry called Madeleines. But they're these little French pastries that go great with coffee or tea, and you mix up the batter the night before. It's a little sponge cake that is shaped like a seashell. So yesterday I had to go to Bed Bath & Beyond and get the special pan for it because I figure, hey, I have to be like committed and into this process, you know. So I am using Chef Dominique Ansel's recipe for this today. So let's get started. Okay, yeah, they're not done. I think the chef lied. Look at this. Hello. And then the fire alarm goes off. Oh, hold on. Stop it. Stop it. Sorry. It likes to go off when I cook. So, okay, if I can just get this out without burning myself. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I think that they're done. So now I'm just going to kind of like put them on a plate because presentation is everything. And then sprinkle a little bit of powdered sugar to make it look all fancy and French. And there we go.